Slime. An essential part of Saturday Mashup. But have you ever thought, where does it come from? Well, it's from a packet, but we're here to show you how it's made. The slime that soaks our celebs every week is made with just 3 ingredients: slime powder, water, and, this thing. Firstly, a bucket is filled with hot water in preparation for the powder to be added. Once filled, the slime powder is added to the hot water by our lovely assistant here. It must be an exact amount to make sure we get the slimy consistency we all love. So this whole bucket only needs 3 cups full. Next comes the fun bit. We take what I'm going to call the giant whisk and give it a good old mix until the powder has fully dissolved and mixed in with the water. Once the solution is properly mixed up, it's left for a few hours to make sure it becomes the right texture we need. After being left, the slime is transferred from the big bucket to the smaller bucket. Am I reading this right? So it's just another bucket. Anyway, once it's in the smaller bucket, it is taken and poured into more buckets. That's so much washing up. And they know it was already in a bucket. This is bonkers. Then, after the numerous bucket transfers, it's left overnight, ready for the big moment. Finally, the slime is moved into the studio. Ready to be thrown over the guest found guilty of crimes punishable by slime.
Stacey, what say you in your defence?
Not guilty.
I'm dead. You all right?
I'm feeling slimy.
Yeah.
And there you have it. That's how we make our buckets full of slime on Saturday Mashup.
Catch full episodes of Saturday Mashup on BBC iPlayer now.